Welcome again to my course, Working in Child Protection. Our topic today is Project Components in Child Protection. In this field, whether you work in a high or low position or job, it is important to work based on scientific and practical mechanisms and methods. You may have a wide experience and have your own method to conduct works and duties. That is good. But following the agreed upon scientific and practical mechanisms and foundations, especially in the field of child protection, will guarantee achieving several important positive points. These positive points will benefit you as worker in child protection and also will benefit the project or the program you work in. Scientific and practical mechanisms and foundations will guarantee transparency, impartiality, neutrality, safety for you, for your colleagues, and also for the beneficiaries of the project, and will present your work or what have achieved in better and easier way, and will provide logical justifications in case of failure or facing challenges. You will better understand what I mean if you watch this video to the end. In any successful program or project, there should be a goal or goals. To achieve goals, you should first conduct assessment. Then you should look through and study the resources. You should put a clear plan. You should put the implementation details. There should be monitoring, reporting, feedback mechanisms. And the last stage is evaluation stage. These are the essential components of any successful project or program. Let's better understand each stage. First, assessment. It means assessing the needs and the existing resources. Assessing the situation, the social, economic, political, and religious factors. Also assessing the risks and the challenges, and the strengths and weakness factors. Also assessing the safety and security. Assessing the capacities and skills. And assessing the infrastructures and places. Also, we should look through the resources. We should study the available budget. Study the staff numbers, qualifications, employment needs, and etc. We should study the equipments, tools, and other materials, the existing and the required items. And we should identify and delimit what, where, when, and how. We should answer these questions. After that, we can move to planning stage. First, we should delimit the goals based on the assessment and the resources. We should delimit the timetables and the schedules of all details. We should put clear indicators and scales to measure the progress. We should describe the inputs and the outputs. We should put clear mechanisms for the implementation, follow-up, monitoring, reporting, and for evaluation. In the plan, we should put all the financial distributions and other details. After the plan, we can move to implementation stage. All the activities and efforts at implementation stage should work toward goals and objectives, with consideration of the times and schedules, and through using the available and required technologies, and with consideration of how much flexibility we have in each activity or each factor. Follow-up and monitoring are two important factors for any successful project or program. Follow-up and monitoring should look through beneficiaries, impact and effectiveness, how using the budget and the financial status, performance and work quality, also needs, challenges and risks. Reports and feedback. Reports must show the progress, the report time, the challenges and needs, the impact and effectiveness. Also should show some samples, charts and figures, and breakdown and distributions. While feedback can be collected from staff, beneficiaries, communities, and government. Feedback should be realistic, impartial, neutral, and show the impact and effectiveness. Feedback should show how, what, where, and when. Also should show comments and notes. Feedback can be arranged within charts and figures, and show breakdown and distributions. The final stage is evaluation, which should evaluate the goals and objectives, impact and effectiveness, also the performance, precision and efficiency, evidences, satisfaction levels, sustainability, and future interventions. Using these stages in child protection works will guarantee transparency, impartiality, safety, neutrality, and it will save time and efforts. Also will provide justifications in case of failure or facing challenges. I hope this topic was clear and easy for you. Thanks very much and see you in the next video.